WPX Hosting Review 2024, is it worth your money? Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of WPX Hosting, a popular choice among website owners for its speed, reliability, and customer service. If you're considering WPX Hosting for your website, stick around as we break down everything you need to know, including pricing, features, and our personal experience. And remember, if you decide to give WPX a try, you can find the link in the description below. Why choose WPX Hosting? WPX Hosting stands out in the crowded market of web hosting for several reasons. Blazing fast speeds. WPX Hosting is renowned for its speed. Their custom-built CDN, Content Delivery Network. WPX Cloud ensures your website loads quickly no matter where your visitors are located. Top-notch customer support. WPX offers 24/7 customer support with a response time of under 30 seconds. Their support team is knowledgeable and can help with a wide range of issues, ensuring your site runs smoothly. Free migrations. If you're already hosting your site elsewhere, WPX offers free website migrations. This makes the transition seamless and hassle-free. Daily backups. WPX Hosting provides daily backups of your site, ensuring you never lose your data. Malware scanning and removal. Security is a priority for WPX. They offer free malware scanning and removal, providing an extra layer of protection for your site. Pricing plans. Let's talk about the pricing. WPX Hosting offers three main plans. Business plan, starting at $20.83 per month. This plan is perfect for small to medium websites. It includes hosting for up to 5 websites, 10 GB of storage, and 100 GB of bandwidth. Professional plan, at $41.58 per month. The professional plan is designed for larger websites or businesses with higher traffic. It supports up to 15 websites, 20 GB of storage, and 200 GB of bandwidth. Elite plan, for $83.25 per month. The Elite plan is for those with very high traffic websites. It includes hosting for up to 35 websites, 40 GB of storage, and unlimited bandwidth. All plans come with WPX's standard features like the WPX Cloud CDN, free SSL certificates, and email hosting. They also offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try their service risk-free. Conclusion: WPX Hosting is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a fast, reliable, and secure hosting service. Whether you're running a small blog or a large e-commerce site, WPX has a plan that can meet your needs. Their outstanding customer support and comprehensive features make them a standout option in the hosting industry. If you're ready to make the switch to WPX Hosting, click the link in the description to get started. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and tips. See you in the next video.